I've heard all kinds of things. Like I've heard that AI is not a price, like just all kinds of things, and it's evil, right? And so you have to look at it that it is technology, right? Just like you use Siri, which is AI, part of AI based, or you have Netflix that is choosing your videos that you're going to watch. So a lot of people don't understand that they're already using AI enabled features and technology, and that what we're seeing now as AI is way more than just one tool.
Yeah, I like the way you describe that. I talk about that a lot too, that AI is not just generative AI, it can also be predictive analytics, machine learning, and all types of other applications, algorithms, automations, especially in the
Humanoid
marketing
robots.
is another one. Robots, for sure. And I get that it's scary in there, but I think also what you said is important that I've been trying to highlight recently is the ChatGPT, Claude, Grok. Those are all like the Swiss Army knife tools. They do a lot of things, but they're also only text and audio based interfaces. They're starting to get some visual aspects to it, and with a Swiss Army knife, you can do a lot of different things. It has a lot of little small tools, but you can't like chop down a tree with it, or you can't build a house with it because it might have all the tools you need, but it's going to be really cumbersome to get that job done. So, especially in business and marketing, I think it's important to say, "Oh, let's look at another tool specifically designed just for this job that will do much better than trying to use ChatGPT or Claude for everything." I think that's one of the biggest mistakes I make. So I do want to ask you about this in your experience because I see people trusting it too much and they're saying, like, I asked Claude to make a marketing plan for me, and this is what it says. And so they'll bring that to me, and I was like, that's great. Thank you.
Okay.